Shasla Tao Case served as a member of the Fire Caste. The son of the revered commander of the 5th Tenkeda, Shaso Tao Shi'ur, Lacasse, as he would be known by his peers, bore great resentment in his soul for his father's distant demeanor. Slain in combat against the Tyranid menace, Shi'ur never saw his son achieve the pedigree he demanded of him, which drove the promising fire warrior on a path of vindication. Seen by his kin as a broken component within the Fire Caste, his superior officer and friend of his father, El-Lusha, recognized Lacasse's talents and would not see them go to waste. Deployed to the Imperial desert world of Dolumar IV, Lacasse attempted to rescue the Tau Ethereal, Aun El Kovash, from the clutches of the duplicitous human planetary governor, Maelok Severus. Infiltrating the prison detaining Kovash, Lacasse escaped with his charge aboard an Orca dropship before regrouping with reinforcements within an emissary-class cruiser. Repelling the forces of the Imperium, invading the cruiser with boarding torpedoes, the Space Marines of the Raptors chapter sought to disable the ship's engines before assassinating the commander of the vessel. Spearheading the counterattack against the Imperial vessel, Lacasse and his men disabled the guns of the Voidcraft, yet failed to capture its flag officer, Admiral Constantine. Incapacitated by Captain Ardeus of the Ultramarines 3rd Company, the son of Ultramar managed to broker an alliance between the Tau and Imperial forces in order to bring planetary governor Severus to justice. Corrupted by the forces of what you call Chaos, the Lord of Change, Tarka Axe, with support from the Wordbearer's Legion of Chaos Space Marines, hurled themselves into the fray, teleporting aboard the Imperial flagship. Thwarting their efforts to renew hostilities between the Loyalist Astartes and the Tau, Lacasse escaped the vessel via a Dreadnought-class drop pod as the Ultramarines set the ship to self-destruct. Fighting alongside Ardeus as they pushed into the corrupted Hive City below, Governor Severus dispatched an Imperial Titan to defend his domains from the combined might of the Greater Good and God Emperor. Destroying the Titan within Severus's fortress, Lacasse slew the demonically possessed Governor Severus, the entity known as Tarka Axe, banished into the warp. The planet subsequently destroyed by order of Captain Ardeus via Exterminatus warheads. The callous destruction of Dolomar IV proved too much to bear for the Fire Warrior. Committed to a medical facility to treat his severe post-traumatic stress incurred from the war, none know the fate of the unassuming champion of the Fire Caste. His legacy as a worthy warrior in the eyes of all, absolving him from his father's scrutiny.